Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your headphones JBL Tune 520 using application. You have to start by open JBL Headphones application and then scroll down. You need to find support and click on it. Right here in the third line we have reset to factory settings, and you need to click on it. Then you need to click reset, and after that close the application and go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android, and right here we need to remove these headphones from the list. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android near to your headphones in the device list. Then forget this device and forget device. After a hard reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, and we can see it by this flashing LED light, so we should see it as a device list. If you have Android, don't forget to click pair new device, and then you will be available to see these headphones. And right here we can see it, so just tap on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!